Gosh, I know this is not the right way to do it, but it's the internet. I enjoy making people upset. It's kind of what I do for a living. Bobcat 3J with a 499 say, congrats on 1 million, man. Drinks are on me tonight. Cheers. Thank you so much. This is the silver play button, guys. I'm just now getting today. I immediately went and grabbed this as soon as it got dropped off. And I'm opening it. And I almost hit 1 million. I almost hit 1 million before getting it. But hopefully the 1 million one gets here quicker because that took forever. Oh, there's one more piece of tape to cut, aka one more hazard, one more possible moment of... I don't know the best way to do this. Don't try this at home for legal reasons. Yeah, this isn't efficient. I think you're supposed to cut towards your face. No, it's away from your face, I think. I don't know. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. This feels like the equivalent of when I walked the stage on graduation to get my college degree. Shaking the professor's hand, or whatever their names are. Thank you. This feels cooler than that. Thank you, Susan. Okay, here we go. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's go. Oh, my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, ready? Ready? Ooh, dang it. Wait. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th? Your 1000th? Chances are you do. Yeah. And we know that you definitely will remember your 100,000th subscriber. How do you look that up? How was I supposed to know who was the person that subscribed? Wait, I'm confused. Now I feel like an idiot. What the heck, Susan? How was I supposed to know these things, Susan? I just saw it. I'm sorry. Okay, wait. Your fans may have found you while searching. Okay, Susan, just shut up. All right. Okay, here we go. Wow. Oh, what is this? We got a little, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. You're kidding me. Wait a second. You're freaking kidding me right now. They tell you the name of the person. Dude, this has got to be a joke, you guys. What the frick? The person who validated this at their facility, guess what their name is? Guess what their freaking name is? Come on, camera. Really? When I look like one of those makeup chicks? Anyways, today I'm wearing... Look at his name! You're kidding! How is that real life? How is that actually real? How is that freaking real? I hate this moment right now, actually, dude. Wait, what the heck? I can't escape. I cannot escape. Okay, let's look at the frickin' play button now that this moment's been hijacked by Rick Astley himself. Okay, here we go. What? Dude, what the heck, bro? Oh, wow. Okay, a little out there. All right. Wow. I dented it by doing this stupid joke. I tried to make a joke out of it when it fell and I dented it. Well, at least it's on video as to when it happened. I can't have nice things. I'll get a gold one any day here. Do you see the dent at the top from me dropping it? Yeah. Nice move, X-Lax. Jeez Louise. Or smooth move, whatever. Oh, yeah. Wait, look at this. What a dramatic shot right here, guys. Look at this. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. What a dramatic shot.